Hello guys, this is Sanyam, and in this video we're gonna see how to make the GitHub code space pterodactyl panel work even after the code space turns off. In the last video I got too many complaints on Discord and YouTube comments and everything saying the server gets off and the code space gets off and we cannot turn it on back, how to connect it back and everything. And in this video we're gonna show everything, how to solve it, how to get the same server again and everything. So let's get started. So mainly I'm going to start it from new beginning, means like totally everything from beginning. So creating the panel repository, make it private, and I'll add this readme file and create the repository. Once you create the repository, go to the code and this three options, new with options, and select the machine type as 4 core and create the code space. Let us wait till it loads. Till then, you should join my Discord server, and I have created this pterodactyl 2 where you have got the codes in a lesser form. So let's copy the first one over here. You can see this. Where is the copy? A copy text, and wait a second. Yeah, let's come back to the GitHub web page. Over here, let me make it full. And let's paste the code over here. Click on allow and it's pasted. Press enter. You can see it's installing. Let us wait till it installs. It probably takes 30 to 35 seconds. Let's see. Now you can see it's creating something and something. Let it create. Let us wait for it. And here it's asking if the user is the administrator. Press yes, and the email address, the username, you can keep it anything, it's your wish. The first name, anything, is your wish. Last name, the password. So the profile is created. Now let's go to ports. If you want your friends and everyone to access the website, you can change the port visibility to public and then click on the browser icon over here. So you can see it's loading. Let us wait. Click on continue. Put your username, put the password. So you can see I've logged in. You can go to the admin, go to settings. You can change this, it's your wish. I'm going to keep it unnamed. Let's save it. You can see it's changed. Now let's go to locations, create a new short code. You can keep it anything. I'm going to keep it IN for India. Go for nodes. Once you come to the node server, nodes over here, create a new node. Over here you can keep the name anything. In the FQDN, now we have to come back to GitHub. Once we come back, create a new repository. Give the name anything you want. I'm going to keep it wings. Make it private and add a readme file. Create the repository. Now come to the code over here. Click on the three dots, new with options. The machine type, change it to 4 core and create the code space. By the time it sets up, open a new tab and open ngrock. Here you can see the first website, ngrock.com. You can go to the dashboard. You have to log in for it. I think you don't need a tutorial how to log in. So once you come over here, you can see select the Linux. In the agents section, select Linux. Come down and keep this open. Come back to your code space. Let it load. Then come to Discord over here. Come to my server. And over here you can see copy this command, second one over here. So let's copy it, copy text. Let's come back over here. Let us wait till it loads. You can see it's loaded. Now let me make it big for you. Paste the thing which you copied. Click on allow and paste it and press enter. You can see the wings is pulling. Let it pull. Now come back over here. Copy this thing. Install ngrok via apt with the following commands. Once you copy it, paste it over here and click the don't task me again and paste it. Press enter. Let this do its work. Let's wait until it gets completed. Now it's completed. Come back over here. Copy this authentication file, token, whatever it is. Copy it. Paste it over here and press enter. You can see the auth token saved to configuration file and this thing file location. Come back to setup. Copy this thing and come back over here. Paste it and change the last, like delete the 8080 and type 443 and press enter. Now you can see this thing. You can copy the link over here from here, like not this thing. Wait a second. Yeah, this thing till here only, not the https :/ not the thing, only this thing. Or you can come over here, come to endpoints. In the endpoints you can see this thing. You can copy it from here to here. Wait, let's see, from here to here. Press Ctrl C to copy it. Come back to your pterodactyl panel, paste it and backspace this if anything extra comes. So you can see I've copied the same thing from here to here and behind the proxy, and you can keep the memory how much you wish. The memory overlocation will be 0 itself. This thing also same. Do it as I show and change the daemon port to 443 and create the node. Once you create it, the IP address will be the same 0.0.0.0 and the port will be 1900 to 19200. Submit it. You can see this. Come back to configuration, come back to your code space, create a new terminal over here by clicking the plus sign. Come to the Discord, copy the thing over here like the cd pterodactyl from the second thing, paste it, copy this thing, paste it, copy the fourth step, paste it. You can see that this thing is open. Come back over here, copy this, Ctrl C and paste it over here. Press Ctrl O and enter to save it and press Ctrl X to exit. Now come back to the Discord and copy this sixth one. Fifth one was the thing which I showed just now. Paste it and copy the last 7th step and paste it over here. You can see that this thing is started. Now let's come over here. Let's go to nodes. You can see this thing is loaded. It is undefined, but not a problem. The server will load. Let's create a new server. The name you can keep it anything. Server owner, you need to set yours. So here, this thing, let's come down. CPU pinning will be 0. Memory is your wish, and disk space is also your wish. Now let's come here. This thing will be 16. and it's gonna be paper. For me, you can choose anything over here. Now let's come over here. I'm going to change the Minecraft version to 1.16.5. You can keep it anything, it's your wish. Create the server. You can see it's created. Let take a few minutes. Let's open it. You can see it's like downloading. Let it download. Till then I'll
open my T launcher.
Okay, wait a minute, sorry, the server startup thing got this thing, so it will be Java 16 for 1.16.5. so let me start this again. Now it most probably will work. Yeah, it's working. Loading. Let it load. Over here it's asking me the EULA thing. I'm going to accept it. You have to accept it or else the server will not work, will not start. So now you can see it's starting and my game is also initializing. Now to connect to the server you need to see this address is like 0 to 0. You can't connect to a local host, of course. You have to come back over here, cancel this, go to Discord, copy the last command whichever it is, paste it over here, and you can see press enter over here. Now you can see you have to go to this side, press Ctrl and click it, open it. Let it load. So it's asking me for logging in. You need to log in. You can see now after logging in it's like waiting for an agent. Let it wait. So press continue, add the agent. You can see it's like waiting for our current servers to connect. Let it connect. Everything, yeah, it's checking. Now it's completed. Press create the tunnel. Now over here you need to set as Minecraft Java and add the tunnel. So you can see it's like loading. Till then we need to change the local port to 19100. So let us change it. Now it's changed. Now over here you can copy any of the link over here. I'm going to copy this. So when my Minecraft is loaded, so let me add a new server. So let the thing load. So let me delete other servers. Now you can see the server which I added just now over here, the same server. So I'm gonna join it. Let this load for a second, wait. Now you can see I have joined the server. I'm going to make myself a SOP. See, I became the OP. So guys, as you can see, I'm the server operator. I can change my game mode to anything. Or here, now I can even fly. Now I have noticed the problem that the code space gets off, turned off or anything. How the node doesn't connect back, how to connect it back, what to do in those situations. And I've seen a lot about that. The panel turns on but the node doesn't get connected to the panel. Everything, how to sort it out, now I'm going to show you. So let me disconnect it first. Over here, let me come over to my Opera. You can see, let this load for a second. Let this load, like it's a bit laggy. You can see here I've disconnected. Let me stop this. See, now I'm going to close everything in front of you. Now I'm not going to pause the video anywhere. So let me load the GitHub. Or here you can see I've loaded it. I'm going to the code space. Or here you can see both are active, the wings and the panel. I'm going to stop both the code spaces. As you can see, both have been stopped. It's like last used 10 minutes ago. I'm going to open it again. Or here you can see I've opened both. This the wings and this the panel. So my Opera, my recorder is, see, I've not stopped the recording. You can see the wings has been loaded. My panel has been also loaded. We have to wait for 2-3 minutes. Over here, like you can see, it came. And over here you need to change the port visibility to public. It's compulsory, because afterwards why I'll tell you. Now open this panel. Let's go to the admin. Over here in nodes you can see the node is off. I'm showing everything clearly. The node is off. Over here you can see when I come in here it's the same thing. Over here, now what to do to connect it back? Come open ngrok. Over here I'm going to dashboard. Let it load. Over here come to Linux. Copy this thing. I'm going to give it here also for us. Let me give it now itself. See over here 443. Over here I'm going to copy this. I'm going to my wings code space and you have to paste it over here. So you can see I've pasted it. A new link is generated. Copy this link and paste it over here and press save changes. You know why did I say you need to make the port public? Because over here when you press the save changes, it will show server error 500 code and everything. If you don't change it, it won't go to this thing. It won't update it. Now let's come back to nodes. You can see it's running. Let's come to servers. Let's come here. You can open it anyhow. It's your wish. Over here you can see I'm gonna start it. Now how to connect with plate.gg. It's not gonna be the same thing because the plate.gg will be disconnected. So over here let me refresh it once. You can see it's like not loading, it's just showing pinging, but it won't load. So you can see no connection. So for this you need to come back over here, go to Discord. You have to copy this thing. Let's copy this. Over here you have to create a new terminal. This thing would be for this. Create a new terminal, paste it. Now you can see, press enter. It's checking if that this thing is valid. The agent has one tunnel, let it have one tunnel. Now starting up the tunnel, it's going to start the tunnel. Tunnel is running. Now let's come over here. You can see the server has started over here. Let's come back over here. Now you can see it can't connect to the server. Click refresh, click again. You can see it started. Let me connect and I'll show you. Over here you can see I am at the same place where I left. Over here you can see I'm at the same where you want to see. I've joined the game. Say hi. You can see over here the server said hi because I typed there. So that was for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, like it and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.